Welcome back. Now, it's possible that you may want to create transactional email with your Amazon SES account on a different domain after the fact. And if that's the case, you can come in and you can place a different email address inside of your Amazon SES account. You can do that by going through some of the same processes that we did when we first set up an email address by going to this email section. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click Verify a new email address. And then we're going to go back through the same process. We're going to write in the email address. We're then going to verify our email. When we come back and we refresh our page, then our email is going to be verified. Now, it's quite possible that the domain that we're going to be using has not been verified. What we're going to do, if that's the case, is we're going to then view details. We're then going to go in and we're going to set up our notifications. We're going to set up our DKIM and our mail from domain, and then this will give us the ability to use this email address without having to have our entire domain verified. So for example, we'll step back through the process of creating notifications. We will then set up a process of setting up our DKIM for this specific email address. We will then do the mail from domain policy by going mail from domain. Again, all of these are procedures that we have done before in the authentication process, except now we'll be doing this for an individual email address as opposed to an entire domain, so that we can use this email address with a new system attached to our SES account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.